we had to evaluate this logarithmic expression here on the board. We have it 2 log 4 plus 3 log 5 minus log 2. And I put down here solution. We have 2 log 4 plus 3 log 5 minus log 2. The first thing we need to be considered here is for us to apply power rule. That is, we are going to return these numbers at the back of the log to become the power of the arguments. In that case, the expression becomes log 4 to the power of 2 plus log 5 to the power of 3, then minus log 2. When we simplify this further, we are going to have log 4 to the power of 2 will give us 16 plus log 5 to the power of 3, that will give us 125 minus log 2. Then now the next step to be considered is for us to apply product and quotient logarithmic properties. That is, whenever you have plus which changes to multiplication and negative which changes to division, and when we apply this logarithmic property, the expression becomes log into 16 multiplied by 125 then divided by 2. Then if we simplify this further here, 2 will cancel itself 1 and 2 into 16 is 8. Therefore, the expression becomes log into 8 times 125. To multiply this out, we have 1000, then we have log 1000. Now, we are going to write 1000 in index form. In that case, this becomes log 10 to the power of 3. Note that this log is in base 10 already. But in that case, we are going to apply power rule again. We are going to return this power of the arguments to the back of the log. And the expression becomes 3 log 10 base 10. Then note that if we have log a base a, that this equals 1. Therefore, 3 log 10 base 10 will give you 3 times 1. Therefore, our answer is 3. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.